Alright guys, so today we're going to be cleaning our Ninja Crispi's PowerPod. So first, if it's attached to the adapter, remove that. Having the adapter on creates a few more steps that we really don't need to take. So our biggest hurdle that we need to get by today is getting this clean, scrubbing this clean without getting any water into the electrical components underneath. And it's actually going to be a lot easier than you think. There's really only 4 screws you have to remove, 1, 2, 3, 4, to get this plate off, and then you can scrub it clean. But thing is, they're about that big, and as you can see, they require a star bit to unscrew them. So you're gonna need one of these specialty tool kits. I got mine on Amazon for like 20 bucks. I'll link it down in the description. In case you want one, you can go and buy it there. Then you're gonna have to remove each screw, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then it's optional if you want to remove this gasket. Once you have this off, it's up to you. I like to because I don't want to trap any water on the inside, although it'll probably evaporate with the high heat anyways, So I've gotten all 4 screws out from the grill plate, and you'll notice that it doesn't, well, now it does, but it doesn't immediately come out. So you have to use this to get a little bit of leverage, pull this gasket at the side, and then everything will come out. So there you go. That's how you remove the grill plate from the Ninja Crispi. As you can see with this gasket on the back, it'll have like little clips in here, and you'll have to take that out to release it. Now that you have that off, you're free to use soap, Barkeeper's Friend, whatever you need to do to clean this off. I first like to take a metal scraper to get all the big pieces off. Then you can use all the solutions that you want, and it should take care of the finer pieces, oils, and fats. Remember, maintaining your appliances will always be faster and take less effort than cleaning them when everything's all gunked up.